Hi everybody. I got Steven here and I'm expecting him any minute around the corner. Say hi, Steven.
Hi. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ricky and Billy coming down the road to the house. I've been out on the road, but Ricky's all excited. Been on the road for 3 weeks. He's jumping up and down for joy.
Well, that should make you happy, Steven.
Well, I didn't say that it didn't make me happy.
Yeah, it should make you happy that your wife is looking forward to seeing you.
Well, that's one thing about my wife. She's always looking forward to seeing me. Now, my son is just the opposite. He's never looking forward to seeing me.
Yeah, any minute.
I don't know how to stay out of trouble.
Any minute, Steven will be coming around the corner. She'll be coming around the corner when she comes. She'll be coming around the corner when she comes. Or he, rather he.
Yeah, I'm just now into Reunited now.
Okay, so I'm parked. This is where Steven parks his trailer right here. And so I'm parked right here. And I came down here to see if I can't get a glimpse of him coming home. I think I hear the truck. I think.
Yeah, I'm going by the house.
Oh, you're okay. You're up by the house. Oh, you're passing the house now?
I just passed the house.
Okay, well, I do hear you coming. I do hear the choo-choo train coming.
All right. Who's that? I guess, what was the name of the people who used to live in front of us, the kids?
The Courtner?
Jeremy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess Jeremy's daughter must have had some kids, huh?
Oh, she did? I don't know. Oh,
I seen a little bitty kid running around out there. Who else would that be?
I hear you. I hear the truck.
Oh, well, that must have been him.
All right.
He's running behind the house over there.
Yeah, that had to have been Jackson. He was born a few years after Griffin.
Oh, that'd be about right.
Yep, I hear those wheels. I see that truck coming around the corner. Here comes my hubby. This is kind of weird to have you on the phone like this and then to get your truck too. That's kind of weird.
Yeah, that's technology for you.
Isn't that technology? We've never done that before.
That's my security camera.
There he is. So I can see you, and then here comes the truck. Look at that! Honk when you come. Honk when you come by. So look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's pretty cool. So here's Steven. And here's Steven.
Yeah, it was a delayed reaction when I honked. It took about 3 seconds for it to come back to the phone.
See, I told you I didn't park in the way. Oh, yeah, I think you hit the tree. Good job. Good job, Steven. Love you. Hey! Welcome home. Oh, look at the feet.
I've been down in Florida.
Look at the bare feet. The bare feet truck driver.
Been in Florida.
Yeah, you got those shorts on. Makes me cold just looking at you.
Why, it ain't cold.
Yeah, it is. It's breezy and cold.
It ain't freezing and cold.
I said breezy. You can really get your arms working out doing that.
Yeah, you should do it because you're freezing.
So, I haven't seen Steven in 3 weeks. Well, 19 days. Sunday will be 3 weeks. But he used to stay out 4 or 5 weeks at a time. When AJ was really little, he'd stay out 4 or 5
Yeah, back when freight was cheap, but not as cheap as it is now. Alright, going to the house. I ain't gonna kiss the camera. Richie was trying to make me kiss y'all.
Alright, hey, see, look, see, I told you I didn't park in the way. See?
Yeah, well, it was right my way.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
On your way out, give me a honk.